Class 8 Max Chapter 2 Measurements. Today we are discuss about the sums. Example 2.8. Seenu wants to buy a floor mat for his kitchen at home as given in figure 2.27. If the cost of the mat is rupees 20 per square feet, what will be the cost of the entire mat? Solution. The mat given in the figure can be split into two triangles as follows. Solution. Therefore, area of the entire mat is equal to area of the rectangle plus area of the rectangle. Then first one rectangle, then second one rectangle. This one rectangle, this one rectangle. Okay. The area of the first rectangle plus area of the second rectangle. Then area of the rectangle formula length into breadth. Then first rectangle L1 into B1 plus second rectangle L2 into B2. Okay. Then length 5. First one rectangle length 5. Then 5 into breadth 2. Then 2 plus second one rectangle length 9. Then 9 into breadth 2. 2. Okay. 5 into 2 plus 9 into 2 equal to 5 2s are 10. 9 2s are 18. 10 plus 18 is equal to 28 square feet. Cost of per square feet is equal to 20 rupees. Therefore, total cost of the entire mat 28. Cost of per square mat is equal to 20 rupees. Then therefore the cost of entire mat is equal to 28 into 20 is equal to 560. 2 8s are 16, balance on 2 2s are 4, then 4 plus 1 5, then 560 rupees. The next example 2.9. Find the area of the shaded region in the square of side 10 cm as given in the figure 2.29. Okay, then pi value is equal to 22 by 7. Solution. Mark the unshaded parts of the given figure. Unshaded parts, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then mark the unshaded part. Area of the 1 and third parts is equal to 1 and third part is equal to minus area of a 2 semicircle. This one circle, then semicircle. Area of the square minus area of a 2 semicircle. Okay. Then area of the square what formula? A squared. Then area of the semi-square formula 2 into, then 2 semicircle, then 2 into semicircle formula half into pi r squared, half into pi r squared. Okay, then a value 10, then one side is equal to 10 means a value is equal to 10, then a squared means 10 into 10 minus 2 to cancel pi r squared, pi value 22 by 7, then 22 by 7 into r value. Then total length 5, the r means radius, then 10 half 2. 10 by 2, cancel the 2 double 5. Then radius value 5. 5 into 5, 25. Okay, then 100 minus, then 22 into 25 multiply, then answer is equal to 78.57. Then 100 minus 78.57, the answer is equal to 21.43 centimeter square. Similarly, the area of the second and fourth parts is equal to same answer 21.43 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the unshaded parts 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 21.43 into 2. The answer is equal to 42.86 centimeter square approximately. Okay, therefore, area of the shaded part is equal to area of the square minus area of the unshaded parts. Area of the square, then area of the unshaded parts 100. Area of the square 100 minus unshaded parts 42.86 6 is equal to, the answer is equal to 57. Then subtract 100 minus 42.100 minus 42.86. Then 0, 0. Then borrow means 10. 10 less 6, the answer is equal to 4. Then 9. 9 less 8, the answer is equal to 1. Point this side 9. This side also 9. Okay, 9 less 2, 7. 9 less 4, 5. 57.14 centimeter square approximately. The next example 2.10, find the area of an irregular polygon field whose measures are as given in the figure 2.30. 2.30. Solution: the given field has 4 triangles, 1, 3, 4, 5. This 4 one is triangles. Then second one is trapezium. Area of the triangle. Then formula half into base into height. Half into base into height. Area of a triangle. Then base value 5. Height value 6. Then half into base value 5 into height value 6. Then cancel the 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 3 2s are 6. Okay, 5 3s are 15 meters square. Next one, area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium formula half into h into a plus b square units. Half into h. Height value 13. Height value 13. 5, 8 plus 5. 13. Height value 13. A value 6, B value 4. A value 6, B value 4. Half into height 13. 8 plus 5, 13 into A value 6, B value 4. 6 plus 4, 10. Half into 13 into 6 plus 4, 10. Then cancel the 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 5 2s are 10. Then 13 into 5. 13 5s are 65 meters square. The next, third one, area of the triangle. Third one, area of the triangle. Half into base into height. Then half into base value 8. This one is base value 8. Height value 4. Then cancel the 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 8 2s are 16. Then 16 meters square. The next one, area of the triangle 4. Then fourth diagram, half into base into height. Base value 13. Height value 10. Base value 13. 5 plus 8. Then base value 13. Height value 10. Then cancel the 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 5 2s are 10. 13 5s are 65 meters squared. Then last one, area of the triangle 5. Then fifth diagram, half into base into height. Half into base value 5 plus 8 13 into height value 10. Cancel the 2 table. 5 2s are 10. 13 5s are 65 meters square. Therefore total area of the field is equal to, all one answer add 15 plus 65 plus 16 plus 65 plus 65 is equal to, then answer is equal to 226 meters square, and total area value is equal to 226 meters square. The next exercise 2.2, question number 1, find the perimeter and the area of the combined figures given below. Pi value equal to 22/7. Then first one diagram. Solution: the length of the arc of the semicircle is equal to half into 2 pi r units. Half into 2 pi r units. Then 2 cancel. Then pi r units. Pi value 22/7 into r value, the total length. This shapes is rectangle shapes. Length value 10, breadth value 7. Then length and breadth different means rectangle shape. then length total this one is 7, then radius means 7 divided by 2. Okay, 7 7 cancel, then 2 table cancel, 1 2s are 2, 11 2s are 22, then answer is equal to 11 meter. Therefore perimeter is equal to sum of the all the sides, sum of all lengths of sides that form the closed boundary. Okay, P equal to, P means perimeter, P equal to 11 plus this one length 11, 11 plus 10 plus 7 plus this side 10 means then length also this side also 10, then 10. Total answer, all the one add means total answer 38 meter. Then perimeter is equal to 38 meter. The next one, find the area. Area equal to area of the rectangle minus area of the semicircle. Area of the rectangle formula L into B minus area of the semicircle half into pi r squared square units. Then first one rectangle length and breadth. Length value 10, breadth value 7. 10 into 7. The next one minus half into pi value 22 by 7. R value 7 divided by 2 into r squared means 7 divided by 2 into 7 divided by 2. Okay. 10 sevens are 70. This one is cancel the 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 11 2s are 22. Then this 7 also cancel. The answer is equal to 11 into 7, 77. 2 into 2, 4. Then 70 minus 77 divided by 4. Then cross multiply. 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28, then 280 minus 77 divided by 4 is equal to, then 280 minus 77, then answer is equal to 203 divided by 4. Then 203 divided by 4, divide the fourth table, 5 4s are 20, remaining 3 not divide, then put 0, next to put 1 point, again 1 0 add, 7 4 divide the fourth table, 4 sevens are 28, 5 sevens are 35, then 4 sevens are 28, remaining 2. The answer is equal to, again 1 0 add, 5 4s are 20. The answer is equal to 50 minus 50.7 5 meter squared, 50.75 meter squared approximately. The area of the figure is equal to 50.75 meter square approximately. The next second one, perimeter is equal to sum of outside length. The length of the arc quadrant circle, this one quadrant, this one quadrant. Then 1 by 4, quadrant means 1 by 4 into 2 pi r units. Cancel the 2 table, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 pi r half into pi value 22 by 7, r value this value, then 3.5 centimeter. Then first cancel the 2 table, 1 2s are 2, 11 2s are 22. Then again cancel the 7 table, 1 7s are 7. This number cancels, 0.5 sevens are 35, 0.5. Then 11 into 0.5 multiply, the answer is equal to 5.5 centimeter. The next one, therefore length of arc of two sector, this one sector, this one sector, two sectors equal to one sector value 5.5 centimeter, then two sectors equal to 2 into 5.5 centimeters equal to, the answer is equal to 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter. Therefore perimeter is equal to 11, this one side 11 plus 6 plus 3.5 plus 6 plus 3.5. Then all the one add means the answer is equal to 30. Perimeter value is equal to 30. 11 plus 6 plus 3.5, 6 plus 3.5. Then 2 sector value 11. Remaining 3.5 2 times, then 2 right, 2 6 having, then 2 6. All the one add means perimeter value is equal to 330 centimeter. The next one, find the area. Area is equal to area of the two quadrant circle. Then two quadrant, this one quadrant, this one quadrant. Two quadrant circle plus area of the rectangle. Middle one diagram having this diagram rectangle shape, then plus area of the rectangle. Then area of a 2 quadrant, 2 into, then 2 means 2 into quadrant formula 1 by 4 into pi r squared plus area of the rectangle L into B. Okay, then half into, then 2 cancel, 2 table, 1 2 are 2, half into pi value 22 by 7, r value 3.5 into 3, r squared means 3.5 into 3.5, 2 time right, plus length value 6, breadth value 3.5 centimeter square. All one multiply, then first cancel the 2 table, 1 2 are 2, 11 2 are 22, then 11 into, then cancel the 7 table, 0.5, 0.5, 11 into 0.5 into 3.5, all the one multiply, plus then 3.5 into 6, then answer is equal to 21 centimeter square. Okay, this all the one multiply means answer 19.25 plus 21, all the one add means answer is equal to 40.25 centimeter square, 40.25 centimeter square. Therefore area value 40.25 centimeter square approximately. The next one, question number 2, find the area of the shaded part of the following figures. Then shaded part means the coloring parts only. Find the area value. Okay, and then first question solution. Area of the shaded part is equal to area of the 4 quadrant. Area of the 4 quadrant circle of radius 10 divided by 2 centimeter. Then this one quadrant, then first quadrant, second, third, fourth, then four quadrant having, then 4 shaded part only. Area of the shaded part, area of the 4 quadrant circles of radius 10 divided by 2 centimeter, then 4 into 1 by 4 into pi r squared, then pi value 4 cancel, pi value 3.14, the given question having, into r value 10 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2 into 10 divided by 2, then cancel the 2 table, 5 2s are 10, then again cancel the 2 table, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 25 into 3.14, then multiply means answer is equal to 78.5 centimeter square, 78.5 centimeter square. Therefore area of the shaded part is equal to 78.5 centimeter square. Area of the unshaded part is equal to area of the square minus area of the shaded part. Area of the square formula a squared, area of a shaded part answer is equal to 78.5 centimeter squared. Area a squared, a value 10, 10 tens are 100, 100 minus 78.5, the answer is equal to, subtract means the answer is equal to 21.5 centimeter square. Therefore area of the unshaded part is equal to 21.5 centimeter square approximately. The second subdivision, area of the diagram, given diagram, one semicircle having, one triangle also having, semicircle, this one is shaded part, then height is 7. Okay, then this side also 7. Area of the shaded part is equal to area of the semicircle. These parts are all the one shaded parts, then semicircle minus area of the triangle. Okay, then is equal to area of the semicircle formula half into pi r squared minus area of the triangle formula half into base into height centimeter square, then half into pi value 3.14 into, then r value, radius value 7, 7 into 7, r squared means 7 into 7 minus half into base value, this side 7, this also 7, 7 plus 7 14, then height value also 7, then into 7, then cancel the 2 table, 7 2s are 14, this side 3.14 into 7 into 7, all the one multiply means the answer is equal to 153.86 divided by 2 minus 7 7s are 49. Then this number divided in 2 table, the answer is equal to 76.93 minus 49. Then subtract mean answer is equal to 27.93 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the shaded parts is equal to 27.93 centimeter square approximately. Today recap example 2.8 to 2.10 sums and exercise 2.2 sum number 1 and 2. Today homework. Exercise 2.2 sum number 1 and 2 write home test. Thank you dears.